Are you looking for a forex broker that can give you up to 100% welcome bonus and also with daily free signals to make money on forex? Then you are in the right place. Hey there everyone. Today I will be diving into a topic that is important for forex traders: the best forex welcome bonuses. The forex market is undeniably attractive, being a major global market with low transaction costs and numerous benefits. But for those taking their first step into trading, the initial challenge is choosing a reliable broker. Once you have narrowed down your options, your next critical aspect is evaluating the bonuses these brokers offer. Forex bonuses are fantastic for making money. Now let me introduce you to one of the best brokers in Nigeria with one of the best welcome bonuses. Welcome to Rally Trade. Click on the link in the description to access this page. So this is Rally Trade. You can get up to 100% bonus registering with this particular broker. It is based in Nigeria. So when you open the link, just scroll down. You can go down. You can see all the instruments and the trading strategies that they use and benefits. They have been existing for more than 5 years now. They have over 10,000 active clients, 500 plus events, and 30,000 withdrawals. So get this month bonus. You can just click register. New event coming soon. This was the last event that they just did. These are CEOs. You can register here by filling your details: first name, last name, your country, Nigeria, state of residence, your phone number, email. And also Rally Trade supports both Naira trading accounts and USD trading accounts. So if you are more comfortable using USD to trade, you can open a USD account. If you are more comfortable using a Nigerian Naira account to trade, you can open a Naira account. Then you click I hereby state that I am over 18. You have to be above 18 because you'll be attaching a valid identity card to your account so that you'll be able to withdraw and trade also. This is what some people are saying about Rally Trade. Yeah, they have offices in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Ibadan, Abuja. So you can walk into any of their physical offices. When you register with Rally Trade, you don't just get 100% welcome bonus. You also get free trading signals daily for you to scale your forex trading. So these signals can generate for you over $50 every day. Over $50 every day. Let me show you one of the signals, or some of the signals that have been sent to me so far. These signals are sent through your email. So let me search Rally Trade. Rally Trade. This is Rally Trade. You can see Rally Trade Ints. Rally Trade Ints. Rally Trade Ints. So the last signal for this year, as of when I'm recording this video, came December 22nd. So let's open it and see. You can see this is USD card. This is New Zealand USD. The signal comes in buy position and also sell position. So you can either take any of them and trade. So in a day you get 4 signals. That is for New Zealand USD now. A buy, a sell. For USD card, you get a buy and also a sell. And these 4 positions can be profitable to you in the market that day. So let me show you on that one. This is 19th. USD JPY, USD card. So there are more. From 18th, Euro USD. This is oil WTI also. So this is 15th. I can keep going, but just know that every single day you receive a free trading signal. Also, there's a Telegram channel by Rally Trade where you can ask your questions directly to facilitators and more experienced traders to give you the best strategy to scale your trading. In this Telegram channel, you can find various resources to help you trade better and understand the Forex market. In this channel, classes are held daily, morning market reviews and evening market reviews. So if you're a beginner, this is the best way for you to start to know the market and understand how to read the market for profitability. And also, if you're an existing trader, this community can help you sharpen your skill. There are high skill facilitators that take these market reviews, so they'll be sharing their own expertise with you as a beginner or an advanced trader. All you have to do is to register with Rally Trade. Once you register, you get free access to the free signals sent to your mail. You have free access to the Telegram group to ask any question you want to ask. Once you register with Rally Trade, your first deposit can be as low as 30,000 naira, while if you are depositing with USD, it can be as low as $30. Once you have made your first deposit, the 100% welcome bonus will be activated in your account. Register now and scale your trading with Rally Trade. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.